Are you a new Grubhub driver? You may want to take note of the recent changes in the delivery service. Grubhub has implemented a new policy that requires drivers to provide proof of delivery in the form of a picture. Now, you heard me right. Grubhub now wants drivers a picture of the food once it's been delivered before they can complete the delivery and receive payment. Many drivers are not happy with this new policy as it adds an extra step to the delivery process and it can be inconvenient for those on a tight schedule. Me, myself, I loved Grubhub because I didn't have to worry about taking that picture. I could just hit deliver and keep it moving because most of the customers on Grubhub, not miserable human beings, miserable clowns. I didn't have to worry about all that nonsense. Apparently Grubhub been having some issues and this is their way of combating that so they can make sure that they not giving out a whole bunch of money in credit. And you know, it probably negatively affects their bottom line when they have to refund all these orders and give out these credits.
Stop it.
When it comes to food delivery, Grubhub customers are food delivery customers because you see better tips, better communication, just overall a better experience with the Grubhub customers. So for them to implement something like this, they must really be having some issues. So some drivers are even considering switching to other delivery apps as this new policy seems to be an added burden on top of their daily work schedule. And see, for me, it ain't really no thing because I already multi-app. But for a person who might only do Grubhub, now introducing this fact that you gotta take a picture, yeah, some people might say, hey, but you know, they just want to verify, make sure you get the food. Now that extra step, that's less orders you're gonna be able to do per day, per week, less money you're gonna make as a Grubhub driver. My advice would be to multi-app. I'm still gonna do some Grubhub, but I'm gonna take into consideration, hey, I gotta take these pictures now. That $10 may not look as appealing to me if I gotta do an extra step. So that's it. This new policy will slow down the delivery process and lead to delays, which could result in a loss of income. Additionally, some drivers are concerned that the added responsibility could lead to confusion and error, especially when they're trying to deliver multiple orders at once. Many drivers are also worried privacy concerns of this as they feel it could be a violation of their personal rights. Some drivers have even started consider switching to other delivery apps. In conclusion, Grubhub's new policy requiring drivers to provide a proof of delivery in the form of a picture is causing concerns. While the company's intentions may be good, many drivers feel the responsibility and the added potential for delays could lead to a loss of income. The new policy will go into effect pretty soon. I've already seen it in my market. A couple other YouTubers have posted their little updates about Grubhub, so it's just a matter of time before it's everything. And it remains to be seen if it will affect drivers in a positive way or a negative way. So let me know how it's affecting you. If you got this new update in your market, is this Grubhub update hindering you? Is it, you know, not a big deal? Let me know in the comments below. Is it affecting you? Is it making it harder to make your money with Grubhub?